talk to you guys about the UDPower 600 watt portable station. Small, light, sturdy. It is very ideal for camping trips. This power station would be an incredible addition to your camping setup. This power station could power all your electronics. 600 watt UDPower power station. And thank you, UDPower, for reaching out and sending us this power station to use on our camping trips. Like I said, it can power all your devices, cameras, laptops. Our kids can use it when they're doing homeschool. If it's too hot and muggy, they can plug a fan up to it. Like, it is just a great add-on to have while you're camping. So as you see, we have power on button. Shows you the screen. 89% input, output. Show you the watts that it's pulling. Has a lights on the side. Okay, we have a 600 watt output UD Turbo 1200 watts. So it'll surge 1200 watts, but it's regular 600 watt. DC output, 12 volt socket goes here, 12 volt plus goes in there. We have the PD 100 and the regular 18 watts USB. Solar DC in, so your solar panels can run here. A small 100 watt solar panel will be just fine for this. Normal or eco mode, where it'll last longer. All right. You have your adapter. You have your cigarette lighter charger, DC, and you have your AC wall outlet. And you have your user manual. So we're looking at a 12-pound power station, which is light, 596 watt hours, and the outputs are pure sine wave, so that's great for your electronic devices. You're not getting modified, you're getting pure sine wave. So you can do 240 watt max if you're charging it from solar, and it's 120 watt max if you're charging it from the car charger. All right, I'm gonna plug up my shop fan, my Lasco fan, and I'm gonna see how much power does it take to run this fan. Is it on? Okay, press that. Okay, so the fan is on. Let me see what we're working with. So that's 5.9 hours of runtime at 83 watts. So yeah, for something like, small and not too big and heavy, not needing like a ton of power, you just need something to go camping with, to take to the campsite, tent set up, picnic table. Just need something out there to charge your electronics, your laptops, your cameras, your drone batteries, like cell phone, iPad. If you need it for that, this would be a great product to pick up. All right, so this unit, as I mentioned, is very portable. I got the fridge hooked up to it now. Let me turn the fridge on and see how many watts this thing is pulling. All right, so I have the small bodega switched on, and we got 24 watts out of this Small bodega cooler. Let me plug a fan in and see what we're working with. All right, we're gonna put the fan in right here, turn that on, and we're gonna see the wattage goes up. Pretty nice, small, compact, portable power station. Yeah, I like it.